Hello and welcome. This is the Fras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will make this foundation section. So we will start from this PCC. Let's open the AutoCAD and we will start from here. So let's make a PCC. What is the width of the PCC? Width of the PCC is 300 millimeter. So what I will do, I will just enter a command of L, okay, for line. I will hit enter. Now I will specify first point, and then it is asking about specify second point or give the dimension. So dimension here is 300 millimeters. So I will hit enter. Now for make it visible, I will just zoom in little bit. Okay, now what is the just thickness of PCC? So thickness of the PCC here is, just check, 100 millimeter. Okay, so I will give here 100 millimeter. So I will just close this one. Okay, so I will give this point and then this point. Now again we have to check the offset. What is the offset from this corner to this? Okay, so let's check that one. I will go here and you can see the width of the PCC is 300 millimeter and the width of the wall is 225 millimeter. So let's check the difference between 300 minus 225. The total offsets for both sides is 75. For one side divided by 2, so 37.5 in one side. Okay, 37.5. So I will go here in AutoCAD. I will give you offset of 37.5. I will hit enter and I will start from here. Okay, first offset and second offset. Okay, now I will create a walls. So for that I will just activate wall layer, okay, as a current layer, and then again I will activate line command and let's check the height of the wall. So height is 500 millimeter in foundation. Okay, so I will give first point, then 500 millimeter. Okay, hit enter. Okay, now I will just give a offset. Okay, O enter, 225 of offset on this side. Okay, so this is the offset. Now this is PCC. Okay, I will just delete this was just reference. I will delete, and this was PCC and this is wall. Now we have to just create a beam on this wall. So let's see what is the dimension of beam. 225 by 226. Okay, so I will go here and I will take a command of rectangle. I will hit enter, then I will specify first point, then we have to just specify second point, or we can give dimension as well. So I will just enter D. I will hit enter, then first dimension is 225 and then second dimension is 226. I will hit enter. Now this is the beam on foundation. Okay, let's just change the layer from here. So I will select this one and this is under beam layer. Okay, beam on foundation. So I will select this one. Now we have created the PCC, then wall, and then beam on foundation. Now we have to just show the material here. For that I will just create new layer here. Okay, layer are very important. Okay, so I will just create here hatch, for example. This is for hatch and I can choose any of the color from here. For example, I just want to choose from here this kind of color. Okay, this kind of color. I will press OK, then I will make it as a current layer. Now I will just enter a command for hatch. Okay, H enter, then I will go here and I will select the pattern. For example, I need concrete, so I will select this one in other predefined. Okay, then I will hit enter, then I will choose any of the scale and the angle as well. For example, I need a scale of 0.6. okay, I will hit enter, okay, or tab key. Then I will just select that particular object, or I will use this option as add pick point. I will select this one and I will select here. Okay, now I will enter again and I will go into the preview. Let's see the preview, and preview is looking fine. Or I can use any other scale as well. For example, instead of this I will use a 0.4. Let's see the preview here. Now preview is looking fine. I will hit enter, then I will close this one. Now again I will just use the hatch to show here as a brick. Okay, I will just hit H enter. I will go into the pattern and from here I will select bricks. Okay, this is a brick. I will press OK. Now pick point, I will select that particular area. I will hit enter. Now go into the preview and check the preview. Preview is not looking good because this is too small, scale is too small. So I will go again here and instead of 4 I will use 1 and I will go again into the preview and yet not good. And instead of 1, for example, I need here 3. And let's see the preview, and now preview is looking fine. I will hit enter and I will press OK. Now again in beam we will use this concrete again. So I will just activate hatch command I will go into the pattern, okay, and from here I will select concrete. I will press OK, and instead of 3 I will use here 0.4, okay, or for example 0.6 for example, okay, and then I will use this add peak point, okay, select this one, hit enter, go into the preview, check preview is looking fine, press OK, and then I will hit OK. Okay, so this is how we can insert the hedge. Now the next step here is we have to just give the dimensions and a multi-leader as well. For that we have to just make the settings here for the dimensions. I will go into the dimension style manager, and I will go here in new project dimension, okay, that we have just created earlier. I will go into the modify, and from here I will just choose the dimension style. For example, in arrow size I need 12 unit, okay, and then I will go into the text and again 12, and then what I will do, I will just press OK, and now I will just select this one, set current, and close this one. Again what I will do, I have to just create one more layer that is recording dimensions. Okay, I will go here in new layer and dimension, and I will choose from here any of the, for example for dimension I will choose this color, and I will press OK. I will make it as a default from here, and I will close this one. Now I will just give the dimension here DAL for dimension, or you can use this panel, okay. So for example DAL, and I will give first point and then second point, okay. Now you can see this is the dimension of 300 millimeter. Now I want to just give here as a leader, okay. So I will just make some setting in leader as well. I will go into the annotation. From here I will activate that multi-leader style manager. From here I will create new style, okay. Now you are getting that how we can just implement those things here. So I will create here, and I will give here new project, okay. Then I will hit continue. Then I will just go here and I will choose any of the style here. Text height, instead of 4 I will write here 12. Then I will go into the leader format, and from here I will choose the arrow size as 12 again, okay. And you can just make setting from here, as I have told you before that how we can make the setting from here, okay. From here color by layer, okay, it will also good, okay. Now line type, so by layer, and line weight by layer, okay. All things should be under layer, and I will just press OK, and then I will select that particular, and I will choose as set current, and I will close this one. Again I will create one more layer regarding leader. So I will go here and I will create a layer leader, okay, and I will choose from here, for example I want to give a leader as this color. I will press OK. I will make this as a default, and I will close this one. Now I want to show here a leader, so for that I will go here in this drop down arrow, and from here I will choose leader, okay. Now I will give first point, and then second point I will just off this ortho mode, and I will give second point. So here I will write PCC 100 mm thick, okay. So this is how you can just create leader as well. Now I will just write here a text, okay. So for that I will go here in annotation panel, and under this you can see one of the options, single text. So I have just told you everything regarding this one. I will select this one, and then I will give first point, okay, start point. Then I will give height of the text. So for example I want to use height of 15 unit. I will hit enter. Then it is asking about angle, so we will use 0 angle, as horizontal we need. So I will write here X, so dash, okay, section for foundation, okay, like this one, foundation, okay. Then I will hit double enter, okay, and then I will move this text as we need here, okay. So I will just use ortho key, okay, X section for foundation. Now again I want to use here multi-leader again, so I will go here and I will choose this point and this point, okay. So I will write here beam on foundation, okay. So I will click here. Now this is under text, so I will select this one and I will go into the multi-leader option, okay. Here you can see leader, so I will select this one. Under this is the leader, okay. So let's see any other thing that we have to put here. Everything is here. brickwork in foundation, we have to show that as well. So I will go here and I want to just activate again the leader. I will give this first point, this second point, and I will write here brickwork in foundation. Okay, so this is how we can create section for foundation. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.